Hello friends, I am Sangeeta Panchal. I am attending a workshop of Empowering Educator. It's an international boot camp about the concept of AI, Python and robotics in Pictoblox. So uh, today is the first day and we have discussed about the introduction of Python in Pictoblox. It includes the Python programming basics, variables and data types, list, string and string function, and we have done one activity, that is the loan interest calculator. So let us start with the activity loan interest calculator. Now for this one you should have a latest version of the Pictoblox. I have already downloaded this. Now if you open the Pictoblox, it is something like this. We have Toby as a sprite by default on the stage. So let us change the background just to add a fun to the activity. So I'll take, let us say, room 2. So you can take any background. I'll change my sprite also. Let us say I'll take Hazel. Now I think this is a very small, so I'll change the size of this. So the size is 100, so I'm changing it to 130. Now I want to remove this Toby from the screen. So you can see the sprite in the sprite list. So when I click, there is the icon, dustbin icon at the top. I just click on this. It is removed from the stage. Let's start with the programming. Now in Python, we have to define a function. So I'll start with the def. I'm taking it as the interest calculator as a function. And I have to supply how many parameters? 3 parameters. And that is the principal amount, rate, and time. Now I have to start this. Now this is the block, so it must be ended with the colon. And the amount I have calculated, how much loan I have to return after so many times, so many years, it is equal to the original principal amount plus PRT by 100. That is the principal, asterisk rate, asterisk time by 100. Now I have to return this value back to the statement who calls this function. So this is return amount. Now the main program generally has 3 things, that is the input, calling function and the output. So we have to take 3 parameters. So let us say the sprite is first asking sprite dot input, enter the principal amount. So I'll say enter principal, and whatever is entered I have to take it in the variable principal. So principal is equal to sprite dot it is equal to, we have to change it to the float so that I can do the calculation, and sprite dot answer. So whatever is the answer, it is converted to float and it is stored in the variable principal. So this is, we have done it about the principal. We have to do the same thing. So I'll just copy and paste this statement. Control V. I'll make another set of it. Control V. So this is, now I'm doing it for the rate. And then the third one I'm doing it for the time. So what is the total amount after the interest? So the total amount is, I have to call this function interest calculator and supply the 3 parameters. So I'll again say principal, comma rate, comma time. Now I want to display this total on the screen. So it is sprite dot say. So it will take the string parameter. So I'll say that the amount is, I use concatenation, and the value I'm getting in the float should be converted to string. So I'm converting to string, and how much time this value will stay on the screen? So this is the second parameter. So I'm saying it should stay for the 10 seconds. So let us run this program. I'll click on the run button. It asks me to enter the principal amount 50,000. You can press the enter key or click the check mark. The rate of interest, let us say 10%. So I'll enter 10. The time is 2 years. Let us say 2 here. So the amount is 60,000. I like working with this application. I hope you too also like. Thank you so much and namaskar.